Today we're looking at the AQUEA V lock lid for your skimmer box on your pool. This is a 25 to 32 mil one. They do have the sizes, you can check it out on their website. These are great because you don't have to earth them, which is a huge advantage, saves a lot of money. And you've got a really good quality key, and you've got the adhesive for sticking it in and a little cap to block the hole up so you don't get grout in it when you're grouting around the tile. It gives you a little spacer plate there. You got the instruction book. That's pretty cool. They do ones for concrete inserts as well, so you can do a poured top. And there we go. You got that. So it locks down so kids can't get in there. So it meets all the safety requirements. And it's got lots of reinforcing, so it's not going to cave in when someone walks on it. And there you go, lots of chunky bits for the adhesive to grab onto. Put your instructions away. We're going to read those for sure. And there you go, all back in the box. Look at that. How good's that? Beautiful.